Shiba Inu has taken off, but is now the right time to buy. And is Shiba Inu the Dogecoin killer? Well, that's what we're going to look at in today's video. So if you like today's content, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. If you don't know me by now, my name is Jiggy. I'm the award-winning author of The Extraordinary New Venture Capital Opportunity, How to Invest Like a Pro. Been featured in the best-selling book, High Probability Trading Strategies, back in 2008. Been trading currency for over 15 years. Now focus exclusively on crypto. So let's dive in to Shiba Inu. Now, Shiba Inu is a meme coin, and the tokenomics of Shiba Inu is extraordinary because with meme coins, you have so many tokens. I think it's like a trillion or a quadrillion tokens, so many zeros, and it's sometimes hard to articulate to see what's likely to happen. But first, before we jump in, I did a video on Shiba Inu, and I did it for a main purpose back in June to really show you that sometimes the gains can be misleading because what I said is if you manage to buy back down here, you would have probably got like a 500x return. Right? It's big money. It's big money, right? That move here. However, now that the market's moved up and moved back down, and we pegged the low of Shiba Inu before the movement back in June, but we said, look, if it does the next projected movement to the upside, and Shiba Inu is roughly around here at the moment, you're only going to get a 9x, right? So we need to take everything into context as well. Because is Shiba Inu going to make you a millionaire? Well, maybe if you bought down here and you got $2,000 worth down here, this right up here. So you need to get the numbers into perspective just in terms of what you should anticipate to happen. But let's just look at the price action of Shiba, and then we'll look at comparison with Dogecoin. Because with most businesses, you always have like a category king, and then you have a number two player. Who's going to be the category king for meme coins? Is it going to be Shiba Inu or is it going to be Dogecoin? Now, Dogecoin is like the original, and Shiba Inu is like the younger brother, and they're kind of battling it out. But I think there's space for both. But let's just look from a objective standpoint. Now, what I said in the video back in June with Shiba is, look, this is likely going to be the low. This is what we said down here. We move this to over here. That's what we showed in this video down here. And then we've had this nice recent movement to the upside over here. Let me just zoom out like this. Let me go bump up. Nice movement to the upside, right? This is a healthy movement. But the thing with meme coins is they are incredible for FOMO, fear of missing out, right? Fear of missing out. So if you did miss out and you didn't buy down here, well, what were the numbers? Well, let's look at it because sometimes it gives you peace of mind to kind of know what's going on. 0.1234. There's 4 zeros, or I have to count the number of zeros. Down here, the approximate price was 0.00001, and the current price as of today is 3. So it's 0.12343. Right? So that's a 3x, right? That's a 3x. Now, is that the best opportunity for you when it comes to crypto? We'll go, maybe not, because if you're investing a lot of money, like tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands, maybe even the millions, then maybe 3x. But if you're investing in hundreds and a few thousand, expecting to make like a 10x, a 20x, a 50x, a 100x, a 1000x in Shiba right now, hey, look, that's just not going to happen. Why? Because the mathematics says it's not going to happen. Just because of the way markets work. Because if we look at Shiba Inu, if we go to Coin Market Cap, and we go to, but what you can do, I might do a video on this in the future, is try and find the next Shiba Inu. Who's going to be the future Shiba Inu? What's the market cap? It's 10 nearly $11 billion market cap with, Jesus Christ, look at that. More volume than the actual market cap. That is unusual. That is incredible. That is very, very high volume. Meaning there's a lot of eyeballs, right? It's one of the most searched coins and everything else. But the key factor here is be aware that it can be deceiving. Because even if it doubles again, it's only a 2x. And for it to double, another $10 billion needs to go into Shiba Inu as a minimum for the price to double. That's important to know. So is now the right time to buy? Well, look, if you want to ride the next wave, like in Shiba Inu, these are the notes that I had from the last time. Let me get rid of them, right? What we said with the last video, was these are the next 2 price targets for Shiba Inu. And, if we look at the YouTube video, we had these 2 price targets. Here's the first one. There was a second one. And we said if we get to the first one, it's a 9.4x. So if we look at that same first price target here, so we don't hit it yet, it's 0.00006, and today's price is the 3, so it's another 2x, right, from today's price. Hey, look, it's just knowing the facts, right? That's a 2x, right? Double your money. Is that a bad thing? Well, if you're comparing it to stocks or cash ISAs or indexes, etc., then hey man, 2x, you can't complain about 2x, especially in the short space of time that is likely to occur. But there might be better opportunities where you can get a 10x or a 5x or a 20x and so on and so forth. So, but let's just look at, you might be still thinking, yeah, but I want to buy it anyway. Well, the momentum on the weekly in the top left hand corner is still up. So what I would wait for, and these meme coins and a lot of cryptos can just take off. They can just kind of all of a sudden unusually kind of just go boom, you know. But even if you miss that train, what is the price over here? It's like 0.9, so it's like a 3x, 2 to 3x that we're talking about here. It looks huge, right? It looks huge, but I would much rather get that much movement in a meme coin, like that much movement. Why? Because that's like that believe it or not is 100x. Yeah, that's like 100x. Whereas this big movement here, obviously it looks bigger visually, but it's deceiving. Why? Because that's only a 2, 3x, right? Because it's now a multi-billion-dollar cryptocurrency. It's a $10 billion market cap. So to go from here to here, goes to 20 billion, here to here is then $30 billion market cap. But the gains are not that great, right? It's not that great. So now let's look at Dogecoin. Is Shiba Inu the Dogecoin killer? Look, I think there's more than enough room for both, and I think both are going to do incredibly well in the bull run, and they're doing well already. But they're going to, probably do incredibly well because they get eyeballs. Everyone wants to get rich quick, and the misconception. I look. I'm just the bearer of the news. So do not shoot the messenger, please. Please don't shoot me. Is more often than not. So Dogecoin is now in the more, you can read the numbers, it's like 72 cents. You can read 72 cents or 52 cents, etc., etc. Whereas with Shiba Inu, it's more confusing because the numbers are 0.00001, right? Let's just say that was the price. And the common thing that everyone says, I've heard it time and time again, it only needs to get to 10 cents. If it gets to 10 cents, like Shiba Inu, I know we're looking at the Dogecoin chart, but if Shiba Inu gets to 10 cents, 0.10, if it gets to 10 cents, I've made it. But simple mathematics shows, we can do the basic, the decimal point. How many times does it need to move? We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 4, 4. So what's that? 1,000x? We need 1,000x. Let's just do the math. Look, let's just say today's price is around 1, 2, 3, 4, or that low was this much, times 1,000, 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's at 1 cent, right? 1,000x would take Shiba Inu to 1 cent. And the logical thing mentally is to think that's possible, right? 1,000x in this bull run. It's only 1 cent, But the mathematics is that's 1,000x. It has to increase by 1,000 times. What does that mean in reality? It means the market cap, which is currently $10 billion, has to go up by 1,000 times, right? So let's just do the math here. Hey, look, I'm just the bearer of the news, man. Do not shoot the messenger. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 10 billion, right? 10 billion market cap. To go up 1,000x, 1, 2, 3. It means it needs to be 1, 2, 3. What's that? 10 trillion. It needs to be $10 trillion market cap to go for Shiba Inu to go to 1 cent. The current whole cryptocurrency market cap, if we look at the top here, if I zoom in, at the top here, total market cap of the entire crypto market, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Uniswap, is currently 2.4 trillion. So Shiba Inu has to be 4 times the entire market cap of all of cryptocurrency to get to 1 cent. My friends, in this current bull market and maybe the next 5 bull markets, I don't think that's going to happen. right? So just a quick reality check. What's more likely to happen is a 3 to 10x, right? 3 to 10x, right? So just keep that in mind. Today's price, if it's 1, 2, 3, 4, if it's this much, is that what we said? What did we say? What's today's price? Yeah, approximately this much. And to get to 10 cents, to get to the next decimal point up, it's so confusing, right? There's so many zeros, but to get one more move up it's like a 3, 4x. Now let's just look at Dogecoin. What's Dogecoin likely to do? Just from a numbers perspective, because look, if I understand you correctly, one of the main reasons you're investing in or looking to invest in meme coins, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, or another one, is to get the maximum upside. So when you hear about these guys becoming millionaires, well, really it's when the coin is really unknown, undercover, and it's really when it's more down here, right? When it gets to mainstream up here, the money's already been made and it's difficult to make big money on the same coin. So now let's just look at Dogecoin because we can do a like for like comparison. Have I drawn these already? I think I've drawn these already. Yeah, let's just look at it like this, right? So Dogecoin did something very similar to Shiba Inu. Nice wave up, wave down. We go to Shiba Inu, very similar here. Nice wave up, wave down. And now we're anticipating the next move up. And then Dogecoin, we're anticipating the next move up, right? Next move up. And let's just say both of them reach 2.618, which is probably going to be likely because it's crypto, it's meme coins, and they overextend. So the price of Doge will be nearly $2. And today's price, what is it today? It's around 20 cents, 24 cents. So what we can do with Doge is we can zoom in. Oh, sorry, let me make sure I zoom in correct on the daily chart. I would think Dogecoin is the better buy from a returns perspective. We've got this correction over here. We're probably going to get another mini correction over here. When the next bullish reversal happens on the technical, which is this blue line goes over the red, we might be a good buying opportunity. And down here, Dogecoin might get to around 20 cents. And then 20 cents up until $2 is 10x. So Dogecoin, again, I'm being a bit crass, bit fast, bit kind of just high level kind of talk over here. But Dogecoin looks like 10x potential on the next swing. And Shiba Inu looks more like from where it is today, even if it pulls back to 0.00001 and gets to 9. So again, we're still looking at anything from 3 to 9x. Is that right? Excuse me. 5x. Because down here is around 0.00002, and up here is just 5x up. So the 5, if it pulls back and the next bullish reversal in Shiba Inu, again, what I'm trying to do here, guys, what I'm trying to do is put some logic into this very emotional roller coaster called meme coins. And if you have a bit more logic to it, let's just say down here, let's just say the price doesn't mean it will, because it can just take off. But let's just say it does pull back to around the 2, 4 zeros in the 2, and then takes off and reaches this high over here. Well, the reality is that's a 5x. Right? So like for like, what's the better buy right now? I'll actually go neither of them. They're probably better opportunities from a total returns perspective, because what's Dogecoin as their market cap? Where's Dogecoin sit? Well, it's really zoomed in, right? We'll keep it zoomed in because we're going to just look at the key information. Where'd it go? Doge, boom. No, that's not what I'm looking for. Let me zoom back out. So I was zoomed in because of the market cap earlier. Doggy. So what's this? This is a new one. The Doge NFT. All right, so we can look at it on another day. So Doge is still ahead. The market cap of Dogecoin is $30 billion. $30 billion. And the market cap of Shiba Inu is $10 billion. So Dogecoin is, even though it's 3 times bigger, from a price perspective, the gains on Doge, I think, are still likely to be higher. Doge is still king. Shiba has not killed Doge. Doge is still ahead. It's 3 times bigger. Could it happen in the future? I don't think it will. I don't think it will. Because looking at the price action in the bull run, both will probably go up. But I think Doge will still give you better gains. So if you're going to choose between the two, right now, Shiba's recently taken off, whereas Doge is looking like it's getting ready to take off. So there you have it. There you have it. Shiba Inu, amazing. Both of them got amazing communities, by the way. If you ever done business before, marketing, branding, building communities, followers, users, etc., is not easy. So credit to them both. But let's finish on a quote today. What we got today? Let's go for chapter 5. What's chapter 5? All right. It's Leonardo da Vinci today. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. You see how I was simplifying that math? Right? We've got so many zeros when it comes to Shiba Inu. Dogecoin in its younger days used to have so many zeros and it was just confusing. And everyone that I speak to that gets drawn into meme coins is always thinking it only needs, imagine if it got to $1. Imagine if it just got to 10 cents, even 1 cent, even a tenth of a cent. Oh my God, that's 100x, there's 1,000x. Yeah, but when you look at the market cap and then you kind of get the reality check, then it's normally not going to be the case. So it's all about probabilities. However, if you look at the next Shiba Inu, I know there's like baby Doge and there's these other ones coming up and there's other ones that are still kind of under the radar. So there'll be some that will probably just explode because everyone's looking for the meme coins. You'll probably have a higher risk, but better chance of getting those 100,000Xs. So let me know, what did you find most useful today? It was practical, it was easy, just simplified. We didn't cover Elliott Wave and Fibonacci that much today, but I do have a free Elliott Wave masterclass in the link below that just shows you how to read the markets and kind of give you that reality check because you want non-emotional decisions, objective, so you can sleep well at night and get your probabilities in your favor. All right, I'll see you soon.